In this video, I will show you how to insert cutout people in Microsoft Excel. So, insert and icon, and here select cutout people. Here guys, you will see some free cutout for people and some paid. Select anyone which you need, then insert. Now wait for few seconds. Now here you can make changes, size, color, and what you need. Can keep anywhere in your document. Can flip. So here select flip horizontal. And there are some more options. So this way you can insert cutout people in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.